How to set up the automatic payments on Chase Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set up automatic payments on Chase, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, head over to the Chase mobile app or the website. Once that is done, you can log into mobile banking or online banking. In order to do so, tap on the sign in button and provide the credentials. This includes your username and password and tap on sign in. Now that you have logged in from the home page, choose the account for which you want to set up automatic payments. It could be credit card. Once that is done, tap on See Details option for the selected account. Now that you do so, locate the option of Automatic Payment section. Tap on Manage and then select the Edit button on the top right corner. To modify the payment amount, tap on Pay Amount and update it. Select the account from which payment will be made. Make sure to check the box indicating you have read and agreed to the Chase automatic payment terms and condition. Then you have to finally tap on Update Automatic Payments to save the changes. So this is how your automatic payment setup is completed on Chase app. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.